Mr. Chappell, I've noticed that you seem a bit down. Is there anything bothering you?
Well, Mihira, I'm missing my family and friends. Being in the hospital can be quite lonely.
I understand how difficult it can be to be away from loved ones. It's important to stay connected with them during your stay.
I try to call them often, but it's not the same as seeing them in person.
I suggest using video calls to connect with your loved ones face to face. This can help you feel more connected and less isolated.
That's a good idea. I'll try that.
You could also engage in activities that you enjoy, such as reading, listening to music, or watching movies. This can help pass the time and boost your mood.
I'll try to find some activities to keep myself occupied, Mihira.
Remember, you're not alone. The hospital staff is here to support you. If you need anything, please don't hesitate to ask.
Now, Mihira, let me explain why an incisional hernia can happen. After any abdominal surgery, like your hernia repair last year, the incision site creates a natural weakness in the abdominal wall. This happens because the muscles and tissues in that area are cut and stitched back together during surgery. As they heal, the area may not regain its full strength, especially if there are additional factors that put pressure on the wound. One of the main reasons for an incisional hernia is the strain on the abdominal wall. For example, lifting heavy objects, sudden movements, or even excessive coughing can increase pressure inside the abdomen, pushing against the weakened area. This can cause the tissue or organs to bulge through the weak spot, leading to a hernia. Other contributing factors include infections at the surgical site, which can slow down healing and weaken the tissues further. Medical conditions like diabetes, obesity, or malnutrition can also affect how well your body heals after surgery. Smoking is another factor, as it reduces blood flow to the tissues, making it harder for them to repair properly. It's important to remember that an incisional hernia is not your fault. Let's work together to address this and get you back on track.